Now that we know what is the color signifying and what is the aspect or the emotion that the particular color is connected to, now we will see how we can use these colors and see how the magic of colors can work wonderfully on our mind or on our body. There are different methods, and I'll be trying to elaborate on each of them. Once we have a particular problem in our life, could be an issue related to the mind or related to the body. Once you have identified, you need to find out what is the color that you need to connect to replenish that particular energy, to rejuvenate the body, to fill up that particular space with that particular color, and then use whatever technique that you want. There is no particular rule that you need to follow the particular rule only. You can do any kind of color therapy what is around and apt for the particular place, and it will work wonders. The first and the most easiest way is to choose that color bulb in your house. So the place that you sleep majorly has something called as a zero light or a night light. So you can choose to have a pink light or a green light or a yellow light depending on what you want, and keep it there. Suppose if you have a white light, you can just put a colored paper around it so that it emits that particular light, and that color is going to work throughout the night. And definitely night is a good time to repair our mind and body. So you can use colored bulbs or lamps, and it is going to help us heal our body. The second is the pieces of cloth or paper sheets. The clothes that we wear have a huge impact on what we are doing. Similarly, the colors that we use around us, could be the bed sheet, could be the pillow, could be the tablecloth, could be the curtains, could be the bed sheets, anything. The color that we are using has an impact. So if we are just doing it for a decorative purpose, that's okay, the percentage is very less. But if we have an intention to set in our mind and we have a goal to achieve and we have a restricted time, if we are using a certain set of colored cloth, and whenever we see that we are trying to connect to that energy, definitely it can work wonders. So the clothes that we wear and the clothes of a certain color that we use are going to have a huge impact on our body as well as our mind, and in turn I would say on our life too. The next thing is the foods that we choose. Whether I eat a watermelon, which is red in color, or I eat a papaya, which is orange in color, or I eat a mango, which is yellow in color, is going to impact on certain parts of my body and on the mind. So whenever we are eating any food, definitely just be thoughtful about the color, connect to the particular associated chakra or the aspect of that particular life, and eat it, and it is going to play wonders. I'll give you an example. Whenever you're eating beetroot, it is a red color. Whenever you eat a beetroot, say that my Mooladhara is activated or balanced or cleansed, and I'm going to be feeling very secure and stable when I'm eating red. I'm very confident when I eat red. Just feel this and eat it. Another method to use for color therapy is the jewelry with gemstone or crystals. Crystals are a natural form of substance found in the earth's crust, and each of them have different colors. Depending on what color you want to attract, you can wear that particular associated crystal and connect to the particular energy. So they are a wonderful way of using them in our life. You could have bracelets, you could have lockets, you could have just the decor pieces around your house which look wonderful and also play a role in balancing the energies around. The next thing that you can use color therapy is depending on the places of nature. If you want to attract green, like I said, go to a forest, which is like on a vacation for a day or two, connect and absorb the green energy with the intention of wanting to energize and cleanse yourself and come back. If it's blue, go to the sea. If it's brown, go and stay and walk in the mud wherever you find one place where you have enough mud. So depending on what part of nature that you want to connect to, you need to choose the rocks or the trees or the water or the mud, whatever it is. The next thing is to decorate with colors, whatever you are decorating your house with. Choice of the furniture, the choice of the curtains, the choice of the center table, the choice of the sofa, whatever it is. If you want to attract a particular color, definitely the energy of it, you can choose to put that. The next thing to do is to absorb the color that we want through the eyes. So when I look at a particular color and gaze at it for a really long time, we will be able to absorb that color and receive the therapeutic effects of the particular color. So how to do that? Just connect to a particular thing of a particular color and gaze at it and concentrate on it and focus on it, and through your eyes try to absorb the energy associated to the color, and that is definitely going to give a therapeutic value to whatever you want. If you want to be excited, it's more of red and orange. You want to feel safe, it's green. Similarly, you have understood the different colors, so you can just pick up one color, concentrate on it. The next thing is called as the color pass. The procedure to do that is, when you want to do color therapy on another person, make the person sit comfortably in a chair and stand in front of the particular patient who needs to get the color therapy done, and you need to concentrate on the color and restore that color with the mental affirmation, I will restore color and health to this patient. And what you're going to do is just raise your hand, and right from the top to bottom of the person, you're going to sweep your hands and say that, I will restore color and health to this patient. And let's say the person wants to connect with the energy of orange for Swadhisthana, for hormones. You are just going to sweep the person right from top to bottom with the Swadhisthana color, and the person is going to so much feel better than before. So by doing this, you will be continuously doing this for 5 minutes, and this is called as the color pass method. You're actually doing the energy transmission from your intention to their body and restoring and replenishing their body with the required color.